Welcome to Mochi and Poko's Big Cleanup. Today, their room is a total disaster. Blocks, snacks, and socks everywhere. But don't worry, these two are ready to roll up their sleeves and take on the mess. With a sprinkle of teamwork, a dash of silliness, and a lot of heart, this cleanup adventure is about to begin. Mochi stood frozen at the doorway. Meow! My room turned into a mountain again. Toys, snacks, and blankets were scattered all over the floor. Poko peeked inside and gasped. There's no room to even step. I'm cleaning for real today, Mochi declared. Poko put on goggles and a bright red apron. If we do it together, we can totally sparkle it up. The two struck a pose and yelled, "Let's begin Operation Sparkle Clean." Mochi held up a hose connected to a water blaster. I invented the ultimate cleaning beam. She sprayed wildly. Splashes flew everywhere, even the ceiling. Oops, maybe too much sparkle power? With cheerful music playing, Poko twirled the mop like a pro. Let's dance and clean at the same time. But oh no, the mop spun too far and wrapped around Mochi's tail. Wah! Crash! While lifting cushions, they found a box of cookies. Should we take a tiny break? Maybe just one. But one became two, then three, until the box was empty. An old vacuum cleaner roared to life. Urgh! Suddenly, it sucked up Mochi's sock. Meow! My sock's gone! It's eating my stuff! Mochi sat down, looking defeated. How are we ever going to finish this? Then, Poko gently offered a cloth and smiled. We just take it one wipe at a time. They wore matching blue rags, like teammates again. Scrub, scrub, twirl, twirl, shine, shine. With rhythm and teamwork, the room began to glow. Mochi and Poko's cleaning groove is amazing. Even the walls seem to dance. When they opened the window, sunlight poured in. The clean floor gleamed like gold. It's so shiny. I want to have a party right here. Mochi's eyes sparkled, and Poko clapped in delight. Poko whispered, "But what if it gets messy again?" Mochi giggled and gave a wink. "Then we'll just do another sparkle clean mission." And the room filled with their happy laughter. And that was today's story from Mochi's Wonder Days. A cozy village, gentle friends, and just a bit of magic. What do you think will happen next time? Another adventure? A funny surprise? We'll have to wait and see. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can join Mochi and friends again soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.